The probability of evolution. In today's society, it's just assumed that evolution is a fact. It is taught as fact in our high schools, out colleges and universities, and simply accepted as status quo just as readily as we believe in gravity or any other observable law of science. Notice I say observable, because for anything to be considered scientific, it must be first, observable, and secondly, testable. Anything that cannot be observed or tested cannot, by any means, considered to be science. That is where we run into problems with the theory of evolution from the start. It cannot be observed and never has been observed. It is not even a legitimate theory because there is no basis for it other than in the minds of those who do not want to acknowledge a divine order in things. Let us take that a step further. Not only can evolution not be observed nor tested, but it also actually goes against every law of science known to man. Yet, despite that knowledge, the majority of scientists today hold on to that theory and teach it as fact. In reality, it is more of a hypothesis than a theory, because a theory is based on some semblance of truth. So, while there are many who won't even consider any other origin of the universe than evolution, we must insist that this is sticking your head in the sand and disregarding the facts. Evolution is believed even though it goes against all odds and, indeed, every law of science known to man. The probability of evolution, from a mathematical perspective, is 0. The odds of evolution just spontaneously occurring is 1 to the 27th power, or 1 chance in 1 followed by 27 zeros. In reality, that has 0 chance of happening. So what is the probability of something like evolution even occurring? If a person is willing to look at it realistically, it is 0, absolutely no chance of evolution even occurring. Scientists have attempted to explain evolution through such things as survival of the fittest, which essentially is just real life and has nothing to do with evolution. The one thing they can't explain is the arrival of the fittest. We must answer the following questions. Where did matter come from? Where did space come from in which the matter exists? How do we explain there being nothing? No life? No space? No matter? Nothing. We've heard of such concepts as the Big Bang Theory. However, what was it that exploded? How could something come out of nothing? If there was ever a time when there was nothing, there would be nothing now. But yet, the Big Bang Theory says that something exploded and created space and all of the matter that's in that space. It's interesting that people say those who believe that God created the heavens and the earth are believing fairy tales. However, if you think about it, a theory that believes that something can come out of nothing is believing the greatest fairy tale of all. Space had to be created. Matter had to be created. And common sense dictates, if there is a creation, there must be a creator. In the next lesson in this series we're going to start looking at the known, observable and testable laws of science and how they fly right in the face of evolution. Until then, take care and God bless.